Greetings to all of you, dear audience, who are interested in Python programming language. Thank you for joining me in another educational video of this powerful programming language. Continuing the discussion of data structures, I would like to introduce another data structure called set. As we said before, this data structure is changeable or actually mutable, irregular, and contains unique objects which irregularity is dependent on the version of Python, just like dictionaries. This order is not important in many cases. Sets in Python have the same characteristics as sets in mathematics. The key feature of this data structure is that it does not allow duplicate elements. For example, if you want to extract the unique names from a list, you should use a set. This feature has optimized this data structure for fast lookups and searches. This feature is very valuable in very large data communities. Let's get to know this data structure inside Python. It is very easy to recognize sets in Python. Sets members are inside the curly braces, but there are no more key value pairs like dictionaries, but unique values inside these curly braces. For example, see the vowel program. Even if we intentionally enter duplicate members, the duplicates will be removed in the output. Let's try it. For example, let's have for example, vowels. As we said just a minute ago, the members of a set in Python are inside curly braces, so we have here. Let's intentionally enter duplicate members. And the last one, which is U. Let's have a repetition here. Repeated, actually duplicated values, and let's close the curly brace. Okay, now we have the set vowels, which its name is vowels. Okay, now let's call this set. You can see that the duplicates are deleted. Okay. From Python 3.6 onwards, the input order of the members inside the sets is preserved. These sets, like lists and dictionaries, can be dynamically enlarged and reduced. One way to create sets is to use the set function itself. For example, set can be applied to a sequence. You can try the examples. For example, you can have a list A containing these letters. If you apply the set function on this list, you can see the set form of these numbers in the output. or when you have a sequential, for example, a string. Hello, we love the Python programming language. Let's close the parentheses. Let's press the enter, and you can see the set form of this sequence. Again, I emphasize that remember that strings in Python are sequences. Okay. To do the previous program, we can use some of the powerful set methods. In this way, we make a set of vowels. This is how we make a word. We can also make a word. For example, word. Let's copy paste this line. Enter a word. Okay. For example, okay. Now let's have the word, the set form of this W. Yes, now let's call this word. You can see that the duplicate members are deleted, are removed actually. Now we can use a set methods for example, consider union. We created a variable u for the result of this union. U is equal to, okay. In Python, to use these methods, we write the first set, for example, word, put a dot, write the word union, and put the second set as the input of this method, or you can also see the explanation here. The second set. Okay, let's call the u, and you can see that here we have the union of these two sets. Okay, let us move the rest of the discussion to another video because I don't want to bore you. Thank you for being with me in this video. It is repetitive, but I know that you know better than me that we are currently getting acquainted with Python, and during this educational series you will achieve a high level of expertise in programming in this language. So I emphasize again that you don't miss the upcoming videos and keep in touch with me. I wish you well.